Hi everyone, you're looking at a fun math puzzle and the simplest math problem most people cannot solve. And we need to figure out what is x and y so then we can figure out or find the answer or the mixed number answer to this math problem, AB over 2. Now, we need to figure out what is x. So to find x, they're giving us what is 25% of 28. Okay, just think about money and think about tens. So 10 times 3 is 30, right? So 10% of 28, just move the decimal to the left one time, will be 2.8, right? And then let's do another 10% of this 28. So move the decimal to the left one time, and then you have 2.8. You add these, think about money, $2.80 plus, let me just write a plus there, $2.80 will be $5.60, right? Just think about money. And then you need to figure out the other 5%. So let's just, here's an easier way. Let's just do 10 again. So 10% of that, 28, is 2.8, right? And we just want half. So half of 10% is 5%, right? So that will be half of 2, which is 1, dot or point or decimal, however you want to call it. And then half of 8 is 4. And then just add it to your 5.6 or $5.60. So $1.40 will give you how many? $7, right? 6 plus 4 is 10. Right? And then 5, 6, 7. So that's how you get that 7. So we figured out x. So x is 7. I'm going to erase all this and write the 7 here. X equals 7. So now we know x is 7. Now let's find the y. All right. So what is 25% of 36? Okay. Same idea. Let's do the tens. So 10% of 36 is 3.6 because I moved that decimal to the left once. And then another 10% of 36, again, move the decimal to the left once, 3.6. We have 20% total. We want 25% total. So we're going to do the same thing like we did with the x. We're going to half the 10% to 5. So we just add $3.60 plus $3.60. So what does that give us? How many? Hey, simple math. What is 6 plus 6? 12. And 3 plus 3 is 6, 7. So we have 7.2. And then let's find the half of 10%. But we need to get the 10 first. So it's going to be 3.6, right? 10% of 36 is 3.6. And then we want to half it, right? So half of 3 is $1.50. Think about money. Half of $3 is $1.50. And then half of 60 cents is what? 30 cents, right? Or 0.3. So 1.5 plus 0.3 is 1.8. And then just add those together. 7 plus 1 is 8, right? And then 8 plus 2 is 10. Oops. So here's the 0. Here's the 1. 8, 9. So 7, 8, 9. There you go. So we found out what y is. Awesome. So y is 9. So y equals 9. Look at that. Easy peasy. All right, now let's figure out this math problem. What is the mixed number answer to this math problem? Now, 7 minus 5 times 9 divided by 2 equals. Okay, looking at PEMDAS, multiplication goes first. So what is 5 times 9? 45. Good job. Now let's bring those numbers down. And so 7 minus 45 divided by 2. And let me just erase all this so we got more space. and I'll rewrite the 7 minus 45 divided by 2, right? And looking back at PEMDAS, division goes first. So what is 45 divided by 2? I don't know. Let's just write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 45 over 2. And then let's bring the minus 7 down, or 7 minus down. But let's write the 7 in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. Let me just write these a little bit better. Oh my. 7 over 1 equals 7 does not change the 7. Minus 45 over 2 equals. Notice that we're subtracting two fractions with different denominators. So we're going to use the butterfly method, and I want to use a different color for this. I'm going to use blue. Okay, so we're going to draw the first wing. Here's the first wing and the first antenna. So 7 times 2 is 14. And let me erase the top numbers we don't need. There. All right, so it's 14. And then here's the other wing with the other antenna. So 1 times 45 is 45. And we're subtracting. Don't leave yet, because you need to figure out what is this mixed number answer using long division. And then here's the body. 1 times 2 is 2. So your new denominator is 2. And then we subtract 14 minus 45. Let's just turn those numbers around. We know it's going to be a negative. So here is 45 minus 14. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So it's 31, and it's a negative, remember. Don't forget that. So it's negative 31 over 2. And this cannot be simplified further. So now we can figure out what is the mixed number answer using long division. So I'm going to erase all this and write that answer, the first answer, to this side of the board. So negative 31 over 2. And then I am going to write the mixed number answer here, and then the decimal answer for fun here. All right, so here's the long division symbol. 31 goes inside the long division symbol. That is called the dividend. And 2 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. So how many times can 2 fit into 31? Well, I know that, let's try 10 times 2 is 20. So that's getting close to 31. Let's try 12 times 2. That is 24. So we're getting closer to 31. Uh-oh. What about 14 times 2? So 4 times 2 is 8. And 1 times 2 is 2. So that's close to 31. We're getting close. And 15 times 2, so that's 10, 2, 3. That's the closest we're going to get. So it's 15. So 15, you can fit 2 into 31 15 times. So I'm going to erase this. And now 15 times 2 is what? 30. Good job. And then 31 minus 30 is 1. So now we can write our mixed number answer, which is 15. Remember, it's negative 15. And that remainder goes above the fraction bar. That's B. And then the 2 is the denominator of that proper fraction answer. So it's 15, 1 over 2. 2 is the A. And I mean, you know the decimal answer. It's 15, negative 15.5. And there you go. If you want to continue the long division, you can go for it. Let's just do it for fun. So how many times can 2 fit into 1? You cannot, so we need to borrow a 0. The 1 needs to borrow 0. So we add a decimal after the 31, write a 0, do the same here, add a decimal after the 15, bring down the 0, give it to the 1. The 1 becomes 10. How many times can 5 fit it? I mean, how many times can 2 fit into 10? 5 times. And 5 times 2 is 10. And 10 minus 10 is 0. So that's how you got that 0.5. So we got 3 different answers. We got a improper fraction answer, negative 31 over 2. We got a mixed number answer, negative 15, 1 over 2. And then lastly, our decimal answer, negative 15.5. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And here's your happy face. Bye. See you in the next video.